Hep hep! Hooray! Thank you. A man without ambition is like a rolling stone without right destination. Cause dream big and survive. Dream big the power of your dreams and survive the conquers of your life. My name is Cyril Jane Reyes, all the way in Pandi, Bulacan. At nasa inyo na pong harapan, ang babaeng hindi lang pinatuwad, kundi binalintuwad. Ni Dr. Hayden ko sa hidden camera. Ang nag-iisa walang katulad na binalintuwad, tuwad. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at ihiyaw, Miss Maricar Reyes, na nag-iiwan po ng pick-up line. Bawang ka ba? Kasi hinahanap-hanap ka ng maniko eh. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy.